Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install ShutUp10 in your computer in a very simple way. ShutUp10 does disables Windows tracking, ads and telemetry with one click. So it's a very useful app. What you do to download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then here you have to type ShutUp10 as you can see. Click on that and then you're going to get this oosoftware.com. So if you click on that website and then you're going to click on download for free. So if you click on that, click on download now for 64-bit, and if you click on the download, you can see the download has been started and you can simply see it's completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. Now if you minimize everything, and now here you can simply see that the ShutUp10 administrative power. So from here you can simply disable or enable any of ads and Windows tracking or any of telemetry that you don't want to track you. So you can simply see that disable Windows tracking of app stats, it's working. So if you want a dedicated video about this one, how you can simply save your Windows tracking, ads and telemetry, then comment below. I'm going to make another dedicated video about it. Till then, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.